Hello everyone, my name is Oscar Martinez. Welcome to Oscar Cocina. And first of all, we want to start out by thanking God for good health, putting food on our table. And also I want to thank every single one of you for your likes, comment, subscription. I really appreciate that you guys go through every single one of my video. And we'll take it from there. Let's go. Alright everyone, today we're going to be making some baked beans, all fresh, mashed potatoes, short ribs. Also we're going to be making some corn on the cob too, so it's gonna be delicious. So come on, let's go. We're gonna go through the ingredients. We got Grand Marnier right here, Jack Daniels, bay leaves, corn on the cob, short ribs, bacon, tomato, serrano. You gotta have it a little spicy, baby. Also garlic, onions, potatoes, salt, Worcestershire pepper. This is really important for the ribs, short ribs. So. And then we got, we're gonna make also fresh beans. We got butter and pure dark brown sugar. So, come on, let's go. Booyah! All right, here we go. We're gonna start out with the short ribs. Rinse everything out. I like to do it at least, a couple times. Make sure that there's nothing stuck in there in between her. There you go. All right, we're drying it up now. Take the fat out. Nice. All right, here we go. We're gonna add on some garlic to it all around. Gonna add some onions all around too, spread it around everywhere. Add on some pepper. Now some Worcestershire. Now let's add on some Jack Daniels. It's gonna be Jack Daniels short ribs. There's a lot of ribs, short ribs in there, so I should take about half a bottle. I would say. Then, this is always my recipe right here. My favorite beer, Modelo. Here we go. You don't want to add too much of that. Let's say about half of a bottle is perfect. Some salt to it. Here we go, we're gonna put it in the oven. Make sure you set it at 275 for roughly about 3.5 hours. And every half hour I would, try to flip it over. Make sure that it's got enough juice in there. I know that won't dry up on you. So I'll get back on in half an hour. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Make sure you put the beans right here on the cutting board, because a lot of the times it's got some rocks in there, and you gotta pick at it. Here we go. We're gonna rinse it out. The water been boiling for about 10 minutes on medium. So we just pour the beans in there. Now we're gonna add on 4 garlic cloves in it. We're gonna add some salt. All right, you can always add on more later on. So we're gonna cover this up for, should take about 45 minutes. So we'll get back in 45 minutes. All right, here we go. Getting ready to peel the potatoes and start boiling them to make some mashed potato, baby. Break a whole bar of butter, put some milk in there. Yeah, it's been cooking in there for, I would say, roughly around 25 minutes, half an hour. It's been cooking in there for about 2.5 hours, so this is the last hour. We're gonna cover it up. All right, guys, we're gonna get this ready for the baked beans. There's serrano in there, of course, you know, a little spicy. Tomatoes in it, 1 tomato. And we're gonna blend it up. I added a little bit of water. I was saying, you know, about that much. All right, here we go. We're gonna make my baked beans. That's bacon right there. So we're gonna add on the blended tomato in there and the serrano in it. Now we're gonna add on the onions with it and fresh garlic. Make sure it catches a nice flavor. You know, you can have the fire close to 3/4 and fry up in there for another 7-8 minutes. Then we're gonna add on the beans. Gotta add on some of that water to it. Then we're gonna add on some sugar, brown sugar. Say that should be around 5 tablespoons. And then my finishing touch, which is a Grand Marnier in it. Keep moving it around for another 10 minutes. We're gonna add a little Jack Daniels in it. There we go. All right, everyone, here comes the best part. Let's go. Booyah! Fresh baked beans, homemade. Oh, nice. Check that baby out. A corn on the cob right there. Ooh, this is it right here. Nice. Nice and juicy. Here we go, baby. Let's get some mashed potatoes. Ooh-wee. Check this baby out. Here we go. My goodness. The ribs is so tender. A great Jack Daniel's flavor to it. And the baked beans is, wow, amazing. Delicious. I can't forget this. Wow. So delicious. Thanks everyone for your support. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate everything you guys do for me. Thank you. Have a nice evening. Booyah!